Le kae re tsena le kae tsotlhe di apere tshiamo ke mokgatlo wa bui. Hi guys, my name is Betty and welcome to the laundry room. Welcome to a laundry room. Thongwe e khwe kana kana mara ha ke bula di festere di ntshiditsana ka fish ene go a fisa man yo mara re tla reng a ke rile re batla nna cute, but anyway we are not there. Ke apere the clothes that I'm wearing, those ones to get it thing. Remember the clothing wall that I did? I'll make sure that I put the screen here and all that. So kapero top yeah saying it today and the pants. You look very nice. You look very nice today. But this thing is not hot. It's just it blocks the sun to the skin. It makes sense, ne? Akere batla the glow ele ya go sunset. Ra lo re ha re ya gae ha ra apere di bikini wena re ntshitse mamipi. At least mamipi a bana le glow ba. Guys, ke stress ke aine. This iron is stressing me. So I'm going to follow Mbalin Tlapo's trick of cleaning this, ne? So we are going to do it together. You're gonna see if we are with something to stop over so says go we are going to see if there's the recipe the recipe the DIY situationship it doesn't work on the situationship that I have here, because this thing you are telling if you are ironing white things. So let's do this. Rena le mathata ko re mathata rona o ka re ga se manta ko re mathata rona a tshwana fela le a rugby ko we are still recovering from this rugby thing. We are still recovering ka fa gate ngwana batho na rogana a ipuela Afrikaans a re vet kant rona ba re itseng ka Setswana sa rona sa ko Rustenburg sa Setswana sa I mean vet is white, kant ke side ba ba vet kant batho ithuteng di language tse ding please man ha re hana re di bui mara it's not like ha re di Tswana Afrikaans Zulu ba mara ka zamane vet kant white side, and those guys they were wearing white, so why are they making it as if I mean, South Africa, we have like 20 languages. Let's find a logo thing. When a tata logo put hang up, Wahambi Sangale. We are born a lenda Marguti Indian. We are born a Kore languages to the man. But hello, it's way to the languages that Madoka was to go to English. Of South African, we are speaking 20 languages. Kore at this moment. Little toddler language thing for what if you have a toddler, you have a very special language in the house that you guys are using. And a very soon teenagers, then there's a teenage language. Elia makes it the alphabet the fella. One sorry, why one Rama 2K Rama 2K hey LOL what the king WT what do you do? What do you do? What I'm trying to say ne. Kibosi yo kind of what but hong arabareng rena le mathata hati tablespoon and a tablespoon. I can't tell the tablespoons a half spoon so like that double the I guess why. But I just found myself holding this and get like ironica. But measurement has a matter. Measurement is not the problem. Let's wait. I need this thing to be clean. Old bowl in I mix things in. Once upon a time it was a pot plant, something for the flowers, because why? Because I get a tablespoon near this thing for a cake and so you're just gonna squeeze and cut it as a thick paste. This thing is very, very, very black. So maybe 2 tablespoons. Or lemon in the top of the can. Okay. Or I can see the top of the okay. Oh shit. Okay. It's not a problem. This one is not a problem. Man, ke batlo ja lemon ka metsi man. Ka re ja ka metsi. I think you're nini. Ke yone. Ke yone. And then 2 tablespoon. Tablespoon ke sa na le donane. So it means it's 4 of these because tablespoon. Only thick paste. Only it's supposed to be a thick paste. So let's just eyeball it, guys. The measurement at this moment, already close. Let's talk about paste for this thing. It's all very. Yeah, the measurement they go to tomorrow. I think later for the measurement for asa udo di puto de din. Mar pila. So na harba the measurement. What no hai. Harba the measurement. I'm supposed to mix. Oh, when I tell you, it's making that reaction yellow sign because of lemon. Lemon is making this. Lemon read the sense about lemon is making this thing reaction. Since I get this low back we read the color with a volcano. Volcano. I get the Melahoreka every day. Ragra horses a pacific lemon. Ragra horses a pacific lemon. Let's do it again. So, hey, but it's very this scrappy thing. It has like foam a sponge inside. If ihana, I'm going to use steel wool. If ihana, I'm gonna use this. So, but let's try with the soft thingy first, and then it's a pasty thing. We need this thing to be gone. Like, do we leave it a bit or we keep on scrubbing? I want to know instruction if do we leave it?
Housekeeper, you're going to mix a tablespoon of Sunlight dishwashing liquid, a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, half of your lemon. Make it a thick paste. You paste it direct to your eye. It will be nice and clean. I am a housekeeper.
Make sure. Get this. I get ke batla etsa le shebile gore ka nnete fa bereke gana ore e batla re tlogelenyana gore e nwenwelle ore yang re le nna ideas or must I make it a little bit warm? I must a little bit warm. Highly warm it don't chase almost. Glove wafer. Yeah. The glove was straight. It is. I think this thing is a little bit warm. I think something keeps too much in an idea because it looks like it's coming out, but let's not make sure. I think for too much in a given her hika for too much. This thing for a young Eriki for too much in if you to Malay the Gapilayang, oh, let's have a look at your home. No son, a little. What if you only want to sing us what it's because I think if this thing can stick here, it lets a miracle over land. Kana feel for hey, a great chance of her ima parallel with this thing. Ebe because it's not mixture highly dry because this thing is ki plastic or king do the mapralang with the more with the ironing. I don't know what to call this, the name of the things that stick on this, the iron and stuff, but I'm thinking for it. If it's warm, hot, don't put me like a blank. Okay, barely 5 minutes. I must stand in something. 2 seconds. It was like, all right. And then let's try again. Hold on. Let's see. Can you see this thing a little bit? I give it a chance. Yeah, it's something with regular this thing equally down because wow. Let's leave it a bit, get something else, and then link and get. So that's clearly what go get it a bicarbonate into this again to make it a thick paste like that. Let's see. Must click it. Let's get changing the position here. Yeah, camera because I feel like this is from my class. But this thing is supposed to make my life easy. Why is that life a bit difficult? I'm not going to tell you. I can't think very good. I can't think. I can't think very good. Okay, like it's your family. La puedo rolar la carona. Que sale more. Que sale more que se hape lo que yo ne hape. We see next click it. Que na hana for. We see malin hapo la carona. We see this thing is not working. It's not working. It's not make sure. Can I get to still low? It is not make sure. I want to get a legal lemon and more for a reaction. Yeah, this thing a coher. For a key reaction, but I'm characterizing. Can't this take a good like a at home? Tomar lambana for you like for Fulezumar. Here? Can I give for food of her? How can I say better get her said than Sinclair? How I get it to those that hit Magobola and with it. Whether it is a Monton and Berlin Papa get of you will go get it a measurement. Yano, the hair at Roy, say, Gafreni. I can't know our con. I'd like to say, I got in. Yeah, must go. Yeah, hide. It's what open. It's not make sure. No, maps. We don't know how little. We like people full age. I do like people full age. Kill him, Well, ni kana ni kere go ja lemon ka sonseng. Ne ke mo tshepile yana mara. Wa tsene ke mo tshepile. Wa tsene ke mo tshepile motho o nembane or ke tlogela yana ne. Ke tlogela yana gape bikeng. Ke tlogela bikeng yana gape ka paste. Re bone gore di tlantshang. Yone ya tswa mara yanong e tsa sebaka nna ish. Ga itse ke sa re ya tswa ga itse so sentse sentse anase. Go tswa bo sontse na ba this day. Kana ke ile kana ke tlo le bontsha ke ba video teng go thoko ga this thing. Ka re wetsa le ka lesele ene wetsa ka lesele. Wait ya ka le bona ke kgothetse yana ka di lemon le di script. Ene wetsa ka lesele. Wait yana mara how will instruction itso tsotlhe gore o etsa the whole day. Ga bua gore etsa the whole day ke methong ha bua gore etsa yana the whole day ke mona ntse mo stilong 1 second. Zange ka mona zange ke mona. Wait, this video is less than 20 seconds. Zange bolela gore ene etsa I did it I nailed the whole day. Gona go ke modileng go teng are I did this thing the whole day. Zange ke bone fela etsa ebile nna school. Ha ka bona fana re etse yana motshegaro otlhe ha ka bona ba re tsang re tsana the whole day ha ka bona ha gona instructions. Ha gona instruction ga re tsana the whole day right so say the whole day yeah ga gona ene ke le ntse ke ku tlele video ke motlele gore re a ke lewa bo ntse fela ya debe fela ke grelling ka neng ntse fela ya a gona go ke motlileng ba lentla ba re bolela gore ene this thing we did the whole day a gotla aime the whole day a gone goron o re tsere go the whole day a gone ke bona ka lese ile etsa ka menwana ha gone ai chaya ko ai chaya ma ko gona fe ke motlileng a re tsana the whole day and then go tla nna bila after what and so and what a gone a gona fe ke motlileng a re bolela gore re etse this thing the whole day ke mona ntse mo stilo go le bontsha dibete ha ile 20 seconds go eba motho go ga yone ha ile 20 seconds bon ntse fela yana not so a gona go ke motlileng a re bolela gore re etse yana motshegaro otlhe re be paste motshegaro otlhe fa ga gona a re ke tla etsa gore ke tse paste setseng ke tlogele fa maybe mantsi ba e tla le fa update mo vlogong e latelang but a go hambanga kahle akuhambi kahle bakhowa akuhambi kahle eka le iponna le lona gore akuhambi kahle ke tla etsa yana ke tlogele yana maybe mantsiwa ke tla bona gore gate go etsa gang mara akuhamba le bone ke go tlile ka kana ga ka editor video ga go edit go etsenya fela ntse fela ga go editor se picture tshile fela angle ya camera fela gore ke kgone go tlhaka matlaka a makimo mara go etlogele ntse yana this thing in yana maybe manzibua ke tla lefa guys I'll give you update let me fix this thing so guys wait for me ntse gana go record ntse ke le busy ke tsa cuz already setse ke le I'm in here already So I'm busy cleaning the washing machine things. So I already did that part, but now I want to clean it inside. I want to clean this washing machine inside because it's very dirty. Let me show you. Wait, but yazi kushushu la kwa ntate YouTube. Kore le di camera di tsena ka mogare di washing machine. So I want to clean this washing machine because it's very dirty. So since I'm here, we are going to do it together. Like we are here already, and I already have soapy water and stuff like that. So let me stop talking and try to clean. Because if I don't do this, no one's going to do. If I don't do this, no one's going to do it. Because really, there's sometimes it's very blame I feel like this one's saying now is very blame the what do you call the very blame the category. Oh my god. But already is for content, the more sometimes. I reckon so for me, God. Certain say to be screen and a crowd to be. So she's outside. She is outside, but such a relief. So I might as well keep the boys are in school. When they're here, I can't even do these things. So I'll have to much because also it's my laundry day. I do my own laundry. So since I'm here, get into the ones. See? Get into the ones. Machine. Yes, get yourself this machine clean. It take a machine. It look long for a cat. Which you know, look over saying that. Go the machine. This video is not sponsored by this machines thing. Samsung. This video is not sponsored by Samsung. Mary, get yourself a top load, not front load, top load. Or wait again. Merako monto wait how it's go how inside ebile wa isa wa bereka how fetsa le go wa e tlhatswa di sheet go ra gona go bereka ka thang. Let's make our life easy, man. This part, it's like a bathtub. You can. This video is not sponsored, but I'm just saying. Black Friday is coming, so you might as well maybe look for you take a Christmas. Just buy yourself a top loader. Not front loader, top loader. Okay, I'm just saying. It's a promotion. Let's do this one. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to make this machine run by itself, so it can clean itself inside as well, like the leftovers of something. I'm lazy to pull it from here to check the pipes and all that. Today I was on the mission of cleaning the thing, but like it's what is that? Pulling the machine and checking the pipes. Today the DIY was very limited, as long as it's clean here. Oh, I can tell you this thing come on the cabinet of soda eat clean the junk. Vinegar again. Need vinegar. I need the vinegar. Whatever is in the pipes, this thing will push it out. To push it out. I wanted to show you the American vinegar, the other chemical for blockage of the drains in the house and stuff like that. Maybe you can even use it outside, because the carbonate of soda sometimes they're not working. I wonder if it's here on this side or the whole garage. Let me check. I'm gonna show you just now. I'm just gonna let it run by itself. Let me find the thing fast. Oh, found it. So guys, buy yourself this thing for your toilet inside the house, the showers, the bathtub, you know, the drain. If the drain is blocked outside, buy yourself this. You are going to minus a lot of problems in your life. So get yourself this. Today it's all about the DIY and easy things to do in the house. So as I was saying, get yourself that thing if you don't want to do this DIY thing, but you'll read the instructions. It's a very powerful chemical, that one. So this thing, I'm gonna leave it like this for the rest of the day and see if it's going to do something. Because I'll go hamburger. I can only put her up to sofa. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the DIY and the cleaning of the iron and that. And then yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and then give me tips. What else can I try there? What else can I try there? The iron. Tell me what else can I try, because yeah, but I'll give you the result if that thing works. Like, I'm gonna leave it until the afternoon. If it works, I'm going to tell you on tomorrow's laundry day. Yeah, when I do laundry again, we'll be meeting here again tomorrow. So do it. Bye guys. Bye. The boys, it's almost the time for those boys. Bye.